5 tiny seeds, mighty power. The secret to reversing muscle loss after 60. Asterisk, can you believe it? There are tiny super seeds that can help you reverse muscle loss after age 60 faster than expensive protein powders. Might sound unbelievable, but science backs it up. These aren't fancy supplements or rare herbs. They're everyday seeds you can find in almost any kitchen. Asterisk, and when you add them to your meals correctly, they'll help you rebuild strength, protect your joints, and keep your feet steady even as you age.
Ow.
Because after 60, your body naturally starts to lose muscle. It happens quietly. At first, you might just feel a little slower. Then one day, stairs become harder. Getting up from a chair takes more effort. Your grip feels weaker. That's not just aging, that's sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. Asterisk, but don't worry. These 5 seeds are your secret weapon to fight back. In this video, I'll show you exactly which seeds are most effective, why they're important, and how to use them in your meals to support your strength and independence every single day. Asterisk, have you ever felt your muscles weren't what they used to be? Asterisk. First, tell me in the comments, have you ever felt your muscles weren't what they used to be? A simple yes or no is enough. You're not alone, and the solution might be simpler than you think. If you're ready to get your strength back, stick with me until the end. Let's dive into the first seed. 1. Hemp seeds, the complete protein powerhouse for your muscles. First up, let's talk about hemp seeds. They're tiny, truly minuscule, but inside every spoonful is a treasure trove of nutrition, especially for those of us over 60 who want to stay strong, mobile, and independent. Asterisk, just 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, about 30 grams, give you nearly 10 grams of complete protein. That's the type of protein your body needs to repair and maintain muscles, especially as it gets older and naturally starts to break down muscle tissue. This protein contains all the essential amino acids your body can't make on its own. A key factor, because if you're dealing with sarcopenia, your muscles need all the help they can get. Asterisk, hemp seeds also offer the perfect balance of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids in a 1:3 ratio that's ideal for fighting inflammation, not just in your joints, but throughout your entire body. These healthy fats also support blood circulation, helping oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles more efficiently. Even better, omega-3 South boosts the membranes around your nerve cells, keeping your reflexes sharper, your feet quicker to respond, and your risk of falls much lower. Asterisk, you'll also find magnesium in hemp seeds, a mineral known for its calming and relaxing effect on muscles. If you've woken up with cramps or dealt with stiffness in your legs, this could be the missing link. Magnesium helps your muscles contract and release the way they should, so movement feels smoother and more natural. Asterisk, iron and zinc are also packed in there, supporting red blood cell formation and oxygen delivery, which helps maintain your energy while walking, gardening, or even doing simple stretches. Asterisk, and here's what makes hemp seeds even more senior-friendly. They're incredibly easy to digest. Unlike some other nuts and beans that contain phytic acid, which prevents your body from absorbing nutrients, hemp seeds are free of these inhibitors. So, even if digestion isn't as robust as it once was, your body can still soak up all the benefits without bloating or discomfort. Asterisk, adding them to your meals is effortless. In the morning, sprinkle a few spoonfuls on your oatmeal or Greek yogurt. At lunch, mix them into your salad along with olive oil. Asterisk, in the afternoon, try blending them with a banana, almond milk, and a little cocoa for a plant-powered smoothie. Asterisk, they have a soft, nutty flavor that blends in without overpowering. Asterisk, so if you're looking for a natural, plant-based way to protect your muscles, ease joint pain, and just feel better overall, hemp seeds are a smart, simple place to start. 2. Sacha Inchi, the Inca Nut secret to combating sarcopenia. Next up is Sacha Inchi, which is quietly becoming one of your strongest allies in protecting muscles, easing joint pain, helping you walk with confidence. Asterisk, just one serving, about 28 grams, provides you with 8 grams of high-quality, complete plant protein. That's the kind of protein your muscles need daily to fight sarcopenia. For older adults, Every gram of usable protein counts. And Sacha Inchi delivers it naturally. Asterisk, Sacha Inchi is one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids. It's even higher than most nuts you'll find on the grocery shelf. Are these healthy? Fats help soothe inflammation, deeply lubricating your joints and muscles, reducing stiffness, easing discomfort, and improving how your muscles and nerves communicate. That means quicker reflexes, smoother movements, and fewer of those sudden twinges that happen after sitting too long or on a cold morning. Asterisk, it's also packed with vitamin E, which supports better blood flow, helps protect muscle cells from damage, and ensures oxygen gets to the tissues that need it most, especially while walking, climbing stairs, or engaging in light exercise. Asterisk on top of that. This seed contains magnesium, zinc, and even tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin. This not only lifts your mood, but also helps you get better sleep, which is when your body naturally regenerates and repairs muscles. Asterisk. Another reason this seed stands out: it's exceptionally easy on the digestive system. Unlike some nuts or seeds that can cause bloating or discomfort, Sacha Inchi is easily digested and rarely causes allergic irritation, making it a great option for those with sensitive stomachs. Asterisk, its flavor is reminiscent of roasted peanuts, but softer and more subtle. That makes it incredibly easy to incorporate into your meals. Asterisk, here's how you can use it. Asterisk, in the morning, add a spoonful to your oatmeal or blend it into a smoothie with a banana and almond milk. Asterisk. At lunch, mix some into your salad or toss it with cooked quinoa. Asterisk, in the evening, instead of reaching for processed snacks, enjoy a small handful of dry roasted Sacha Inchi seeds. You'll nourish your muscles with the nutrients they need for nighttime repair without any guilt. Asterisk. So, if you're looking for something simple, natural, powerful enough to protect your joints and support your strength, this humble Inca nut might be exactly what your body has been waiting for. Asterisk 3. Moringa Powder. The green superfood for muscle rejuvenation. Asterisk 3rd is Moringa Powder. The leaves of this humble tree, when dried and ground into a fine green powder, become one of the most complete plant-based sources of nutrition on Earth. Asterisk, in fact. Just 100 grams of Moringa powder contains about 27 grams of complete protein, fully loaded, with all 9 essential amino acids your body can't produce on its own. Moringa is also rich in essential nutrients that many older adults often lack: vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, calcium, and iron. Vitamin A helps support your eyes and immune system. Vitamin C boosts collagen production, which helps keep your muscles and tendons healthy. Asterisk, vitamin K plays a crucial role in bone health, and iron ensures oxygen reaches your muscles. It's helping reduce fatigue and improve endurance during daily tasks, like walking or household chores. Asterisk, there's more. Moringa is packed with antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, both known for their ability to reduce chronic inflammation. That means less joint stiffness, faster recovery after activity, and better protection against long-term wear and tear on your muscles. Asterisk, and because it's in powder form, Moringa is incredibly easy to use. You don't need to cook it or prepare anything fancy. Just stir 1 to 2 teaspoons into your morning smoothie. Mix it into a bowl of soup or sprinkle it on top of your salad. It blends well, has a light, earthy flavor, and delivers a concentrated dose of muscle-supporting nutrients in seconds. Asterisk. Here's a pro tip. Moringa contains fat-soluble vitamins, so combining it with a healthy fat like avocado, olive oil, or flaxseed oil can help your body absorb those nutrients even better. For example, blending a banana, almond milk, moringa powder, and a dash of flaxseed oil creates a delicious, nutrient-packed drink that supports muscle recovery, boosts magnesium and potassium, and fights fatigue. Asterisk, if this is your first time trying Moringa, start with a small amount, about half a teaspoon a day, and gradually increase as your body gets used to it. And always choose organic, quality Moringa powder. to ensure you're getting the full benefits without any unwanted additives. Asterisk. 4. Firm tofu. The gentle yet potent plant protein asterisk number 4 isn't actually a seed, but it's one of the most gentle and effective plant proteins you can eat. Firm tofu. Asterisk. Every 100 grams of firm tofu provides about 8 grams of complete protein. And yes, it's complete, meaning it includes all the essential amino acids your body needs, but can't make on its own. What's more, tofu is often much easier to digest than meats like beef or chicken, especially for those with sensitive stomachs or weaker digestion. Asterisk, but the benefits don't stop at protein. Firm tofu is also an excellent source of calcium, a critical mineral for maintaining bone strength and preventing the kind of brittle bones that lead to fractures later in life. When tofu is made with calcium sulfate, the calcium it provides is absorbed particularly well, making it a smart choice for bone health. We'll also get a healthy dose of iron, which supports red blood cell production and helps deliver oxygen to your muscles, giving you extra stamina for daily tasks like walking, cleaning, or light stretching. Asterisk, and here's a bonus, soy isoflavones. These plant compounds gently mimic the effects of estrogen, helping protect bones, reduce inflammation, and even support heart health. For women post-menopause, isoflavones can help alleviate hot flashes and improve mood. For men, moderate consumption doesn't interfere with hormones. It still supports heart and blood pressure health. Asterisk, one of the great things about tofu is it's incredibly versatile. You can slice it, season it with simple spices like sea salt, garlic, or black pepper, and roast it until golden. Perfect for salads or served with brown rice. Or try dicing it into cubes and stir-frying it with mushrooms, broccoli, and cashews. For a warm, satisfying meal that's light on the stomach, but full of nutrients. Tofu is also cholesterol-free, low in saturated fat, and has a very low glycemic index. It's making it an excellent choice for anyone managing cholesterol or blood sugar, especially those with diabetes or heart concerns. Asterisk. So while tofu might seem humble, it's quietly powerful, supports your muscles, strengthens your bones, protects your heart, and is kind to your digestive system, all in one gentle, plant-based package. 5. Quinoa. The pseudo-grain with complete protein power. Unlike most grains, quinoa is one of those rare plant foods that gives you complete protein. That means it contains all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and repair muscles. Just 1 cup of cooked quinoa, about 185 grams, provides roughly 8 grams of high-quality protein, including a significant amount of lysine, an amino acid often lacking in other grains, but absolutely essential for muscle repair and recovery. Asterisk, but protein isn't the only reason quinoa stands out. It's also rich in magnesium, potassium, and calcium, a mineral trio that your muscles and nerves depend on to work smoothly. Asterisk, magnesium helps your muscles relax and reduces the risk of nighttime cramps. Asterisk, potassium helps your nerve signals stay accurate and balanced, helping prevent that heavy, shaky leg feeling after a long walk. Asterisk, and calcium, in addition to keeping bones strong, is essential for healthy muscle contractions. Asterisk plus. Quinoa is packed with soluble fiber, which keeps digestion working gently, reduces constipation, and even supports balanced blood sugar, a crucial benefit for those managing prediabetes or type 2 diabetes. Because of its low to medium glycemic index, quinoa gives you slow, steady energy without causing sugar spikes or crashes. Asterisk, and if you often feel tired or lightheaded after light activity, quinoa can help with that too. It contains a decent amount of iron, which plays a role in the production of red blood cells, those cells that carry oxygen to your muscles and brain. You'll also find vitamin B6, folate, and zinc in quinoa. These nutrients are vital for maintaining a strong immune system, keeping your nerves healthy, and your body ready to grow new muscle cells as you move and heal. Asterisk. So how can you add quinoa to your meals? Asterisk. In the morning, you can cook quinoa with almond milk and stir in hemp seeds or a spoonful of moringa powder for a warm, protein-rich breakfast. Asterisk, for lunch, dinner, replace white rice with quinoa served alongside baked salmon, tofu, or sautéed greens. This helps stabilize blood sugar and gives your muscles the fuel they need. Asterisk for dinner. Try a light quinoa salad with spinach, toasted almonds, and a drizzle of olive oil. It's gentle on the stomach, but rich in everything your body needs. For overnight recovery, asterisk beginner's tip. Rinse quinoa before cooking to remove a natural coating called saponin. It can taste bitter if left on. Then cook it like rice. Use 2 parts water to 1 part quinoa. Bring to a boil, reduce heat, cover, and simmer for about 15 minutes. When ready, the grains become translucent and release a subtle, nutty aroma. Asterisk, it's time to reawaken your inner strength. Asterisk, just because you're getting older doesn't mean you have to settle for feeling weaker or slower. Your body may have changed, but its ability to heal, grow, and adapt is still very much alive. It just needs the right fuel to awaken that strength again. Asterisk, sometimes it doesn't take a big overhaul. Just a small shift, like throwing a few of these seeds into your daily meals, can quietly begin to transform everything, little by little. Your muscles respond, your balance improves, and daily movement becomes easier. Asterisk, you're not running out of time. You're not too late. Your body is still listening. It's ready to rebuild the moment you start giving it the support it's been waiting for. Asterisk, if this video helped spark something for you, please like it and pass it on to a friend or loved one who might need it too. And we'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know which of these seeds you'll be starting with first. Asterisk, be sure to subscribe to Mr. Senior Health and hit the notification bell so you never miss new ways to protect your health and maintain independence, because getting older should never mean giving up your strength.